يستاذ أيام بدر زواني.
Okay, Badr, I got you. Page number 47, complete the table of materials. In number one column, we have materials, number two, some properties, and number three, examples of what it is used for. Number one, metal. Metal is hard, strong, shiny, and easy to shape. Metal, these are metals properties. Then how we use metals? Making tools, cars, and wires. Okay. Number second material, we have glass. Glass is transparent, breaks very easily, waterproof, and shiny. Okay, these are properties of glass. How do we use glass? Drinking glasses, as window glasses, and bottles. Okay. Number three, we have wood. Wood is hard, rigid, easy to cut and carve. Okay. These are properties of wood. And then
السلام
example.
عليكم أستاذ أنا من البصري.
Welcome,
Teacher
Munabba.
I am finished.
I am be with me, please. We can make furniture,
Sorry.
spoon, and doors with wood. Right.
Mister, I cannot
Next
hear
we
your
have,
sound.
check your audio, Iham. Check your hands-free or headphone, whatever you are using. Okay. Is it plugged in or not? We make furniture,
أستاذ أنا أستاذ ملكي.
spoons, and doors. Let me finish. Let me finish, please. Spoons and doors. Number four, we have plastic. Plastic is hard, strong, and waterproof. We can use plastic to make toys, then water bottles, cases
I'm
of
very
hair
Mister.
drying. Okay. Then we have fabric. Fabric is soft, bendy, and absorbent. Fabric, it's mean gumash. Clothes, curtains, and towels we make with fabrics. Okay. Okay, now we have review for our unit number 2, what we have learned about materials. Okay, here are some properties or opposite of properties, like materials around us. This is the first portion. Can you
يا
unjumble?
أستاذ الكاميرا ليش ما فيني أفكها؟
Be with me, Rami, just 1 second, then I will tell you. Can you unjumble these 6 properties of materials? Write the words in the boxes, then match each property with opposite property. Opposite yani khalf, aks, opposite property. Right, this is page number 48. Page number 48. Right, this is the word which is written as FOSTHRGOU. Okay, number 1 is soft. If we unjumble them, it will become soft. Okay, the opposite of soft is hard. Hard. Number 2, we have the word and we unjumble it, it will become rough. Rough. And opposite of rough is smooth. Opposite of rough is smooth. Okay, next we have this word number 3, which becomes bendy. Bendy, the opposite of bendy is rigid. Rigid. Number 4, word becomes shiny and opposite is dull. Dull. Number 5 becomes magnetic. Magnetic, the opposite is non-magnetic. Non-magnetic. Next we have strong, strong, and opposite is weak, weak. Here you have some statements. If you know, you can make a check. If you don't know, make a cross and send me. Last we have on this page, is it magnetic? Which of these objects you think are attracted to a magnet? Circle the correct pictures. Number one, we have steel nail, which is magnetic. Plastic toy, no. Gold ring, no. Aluminium pan, it's non-magnetic. Glass jar, it's non-magnetic. Iron, it's mean hadid. Iron railings, yes, these are magnetic. Got it? Okay, we have page 49. Last portion is just right for the job. Just right for the job. Okay. Here you have object, material, and property. Object is number one is ball, towel, and cup. Okay. Material, the ball's material is rubber and ball is bouncy. This is the property, bouncy. Number two, we have towel, which is made up of fabric or paper. It is soft and bendy, towel. Next, we have cup, which is made up of plastic, and cup is waterproof. Waterproof. Okay. Here we have sorting materials. We can sort objects into groups according to their properties or materials they are made of. Which of these words are properties? Circle the properties in red, yani ahmar, and blue, yani azrak. Right? So, smooth, soft, bendy, and absorbent. These are properties. So, we make them red circled. And which materials are materials? Which words are materials? Circle them blue. Metal, plastic, fabric, and wood. These are materials, right? So we make them blue circled. Okay, these are properties and materials. About the statement.
أستاذنا حامد لسه ما في finish.
Okay, Hamid, take your time and try to talk in English, please. Read the statement. If you know, check the circle and send me. If you don't know, cross the circle and send it to me. Okay, boys, thank you.